randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jimmy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jimmy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Woo!
My breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe. Jimmy, breathe! You can breathe, Jimmy! Oh, no.
Eli Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.